Watch, watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. You hear me, no, man? A franchise to choosing one. The 10-star general. I wanna know when me I represent, I know a full effect. When me sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. What? You hear me, no, man? First and foremost, we're gonna give big respect to the world boss pan him earth strong. You know I'm more life, brother. I know you can't wait for your night with your family and your friends them and the fans them. And we all there wait because when that day they come at them time they gonna be the real holiday. You see me I deal with Gaza way. What? But here we go on now. You have a whole heap of people inbox me and I tell me, yo, General, how you tell Nuffy to apologize to cargo woman and you not take no participate tonight. I not see you do no video about it. Right now, me's a man, you know. Me hear court business and all of them shit there, you know, suing business and lawyer business. So I stay out tight. You see what I deal, I never want to add nothing to the fuel. Because you see me as a man, when you know when I come talk of the real truth, me as a man I come talk. I not go around nothing at all. You see what I deal? Because I tell Nuffy to apologize and him never do it. Because him think a lollipop thing. You see me, if you believe in a God, you know say God not do things like man. God work in a mysterious way. You see me I deal with? And me that tell him apologize and him never want to do it. And me tell you something. When him do to cargo, that him say that itself wrong. Much less when him go jump on the man, woman and do it. You see what I deal with? Because cargo never even trouble him. Cargo and a girl in a artist girl in a them artist fliction. And enough for MC man of a artist him should allow them make them do that because the two of them voice pan rhythm and them can voice them opinion. You see what I deal with? Him jump in it, you see what I deal with, and want bash cargo because through him see Scatterburrell them do it, enough people do it, and them see cargo get the highlight back from the people them and them shit up on Facebook and YouTube. So him know what him do. Him try to draw back the mother thing pan the man and him still not have enough. Him jump and go involve all the man, woman in it. You see what I deal with? And as enough as him think him is not enough for Spice. Look how Spice are deal with him. And then him a go ball now and want people sorry for him and say Spice go below the belt. Then where you did go when you call up cargo wife name? Below the belt that you got my virgin. And me done try for sure say that way you do is never a right thing. Where you come out, come and say, even if you and the lady have sex for two, for come out, come chat that on the internet, that's not the place for it, my virgin. You reason that with a virgin, and if you reason that with a group of man, and the next man from out of the group go back, go say nothing, and she hear back. Every man in the group I go have the man there's a crutches, my virgin, and not deal with him and cut him off. Man not do them thing them, my virgin. When last you see a man I discuss, yo, uncle girl, you can't do them thing that to man, you can't do them thing that to real woman, man. You don't know that, man, if a real woman hear the story, them I will cut you off to, man. I know say you waste, man, them nah give you cut them crutches, man. You see what I deal with? What original get and not thought. That's why we have to get the something when we come back. You see what I say? And on a lollipop thing. That way you do total wrong. And what is the next is you beat car, you want beat cargo and him woman in up on the internet, you know. Look what that woman there do to you. And you can't manage it. And at that, my ask you tell you about uno man, you know, quick to jump down and kill her next man. As a man, walk up his mouth, you know, want to kill him. I'm tired for telling you, say, woman really let down them one another. Them it has to be two women in an argument. Really, you know, see woman let down them one another, my virgin. So I ask, you know, when man I go have them one another back. I not say Spice right, you know, because that's what Spice are doing, you know. Just the talk to it alone on the internet, that's an informing move to me. You know me a real junglist. I not deal with lollipop thing. So informing business, I think what I not work with. And worse, it can cause all serious havoc to people life. I not really work them way there. So I deal with you'd have to go out of the way and create some evil crime when a man can't live with them shit there. So I deal, but for you come out and highlight them shit there. We not really support them shit there. But me just say, because right now, you know, as far as I'm concerned, Nuffy talk, him just glad talk up him mouth, him not gonna court. You see me I deal because that all alone, if him carry I go court, man I go have him as scratches in a Jamaica too. You see me I deal if he say yeah run go carry I go court, I must have money you want or whatever. Alright, Nuffy say him did want help. You see me I deal and you know you do all of them good things that to spot about Spice. And you say you see her on big international stage and shot take interview and she not call her name. What about call her and say, yo, Gracie, yo, I no bother me really a bother you, know, but Gracie, remember, you know, me and you used to this and that and thing and nothing go on right now, you know, Gracie. And you know me have me youth them and shit, you know. Give me some highlight, you know, have to give me something money, Gracie. Give me some highlight, forgot all of them shit, they wanna pass all of them shit, the Gracie, you know, rich now, man. And pass all of them thing, them, man. Forgot all of them shit, they want give me some highlight. What about that? No, you don't want to sound like no pussy. But you sound like a bigger crutches to me. Go up on the internet and talk about you have sex with her. And that me I try to make you know. So I'm go two way on you can't do things. If you not do the right thing or the wrong thing you do. And you're wrong Nuffy. And people for make you know that. So you wrong and Spice wrong. You know what I mean? Because that's what she do. Me not agree with that neither. But you don't know woman work off her emotion. And that's why man no go up with woman. Because this woman's strongest weapon of their mouth. Man no go up with woman. But me always know say every man where sip on this face of the earth. All is only a woman can get to him certain way. Because woman and man weakness, my virgin, and that I show you from creation, man. None of we not strong like Samson, man, and woman defeat him, man, Delilah, man. You see me I deal with, I talk about a man who bust out lion mouth with the man in a virgin. You see me I deal with, you don't have to know that man and the wisest man, which is King Solomon, a woman same one, man. I mean, I try to show you that from day one, Nuffy say apologize to cargo woman and you never want to hear that. And two, you know, apologize to cargo is a woman where you claim, you know, say you bust and bring to the forefront and look what she did. You see what I deal? When I should have stand up for the man as a MC, too much thing the man say him do for you. And drive you go there, so drive you go there, so fly you go there, so glide so. And if you stand up for the man and have him back, but no, true, everybody a jump down upon him. You want to be one of them that forget highlight half time. And you see what happen? So here me no Nuffy. You see the seed where you sow, and that you reap, my virgin. You can't plant corn and peas come. You hear that? An impossible thing. So you see them greens where you see, them spicy greens where you see, I grow up in your garden. It's best if you eat them, my virgin, and shut your mouth. Eat them and bear the pain, my virgin, and shut your mouth. Because you started. You shouldn't go up on the internet go talk about no sexual thing about you and her. You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing. Real man not do them thing there. And furthermore, you go way beyond. You go jump in a people affair and then turn on and this cargo wife and she never did. Every woman a woman. And every woman on this face of the earth. Anywhere at all she go. Big good and look good there for her. Every woman. What I say, no care which part she got in this world. Big good and look out there for her. And which one she want and which one she choose. Give thanks to the Almighty for bless me with the tall utility pole. 2,000 votes is when I use and shot the girl them watch and a lollipop thing. But me I say, every who of them stick a bush. I have to know that. And some boy where here discriminate woman if night should have turned into day for watch them a jump the woman fence or go through her gate, go link her a late night because she know them no want certain people for see them. You know what I mean? Because them claim them hot on them and name them and watch what them a do. Let me tell you something, every woman born with the initiative of success, my virgin. A real thing. And let me tell you something, without sex, woman still have some comfort where you can't get that from nothing else. A man, woman make for man, a man make for woman. You see what I deal with? I'm tell you something. That way you do a total wrong thing and you this cargo woman and member me that one and I tell you apologize, you know, because I know them thing you work, you know. So anything where you push out in a life, you go receive back, you know. Nothing I drop from the sky and drop now your hand in my virgin. So where you push out, you go receive back. So if you receive back where you push out, my virgin, no ball in no dead, my virgin. I know you go ball and I say you have your look at you them. Y'all I take care of your youth them and Nara interview you. I'm here you tell the man say yo no J area they interview you. I'm here you tell them you know Wish and Shaka interview you. I'm here you tell them say yo I want you make Spice hear this you know see I'm look at you them there where. You forgot your car go wife of our youth them too and them go school. And every youth in America, him have him smartphone. First thing, look at youth them in America where I go school, an iPhone them have. The latest one too. Them never want the fucker. You can't give them that. Them ball. Them not, America youth not deal with knockoff. Real talk me I make you know. Him a ball for that, my virgin. You see what I deal? So you have to know say when you do them thing there, and I do them thing there to other people. The people them have them youth too, and them youth them and other youth I see them thing there on the internet and probably all a fuck or trouble them in a school about it too. So same like how you think about your youth, you not think about the next person youth. And that's why me as a man, me not really like talk about certain things, because me as a man, me not go cross now, not no corner, go on the road, but we don't know. Me I make you know the straight truth. Because some of my channel based up off my channel not based up off gimmicks and lollipop thing. Me not deal with them thing there. So if a lollipop thing means a man, me not come forward, come talk about it. But you see true, me know a real thing and serious thing that go on what I make sure stay off fight. Because me I say me no want really cause no havoc with no man. But you see since as me hear Spice say right now our last thing this and she not too in this no more. And me expect you to do the same. Me I make you know what you do the wrong. And every action have a reaction. And thus through the Almighty now come and tell us say Nuffy, you know sir, because you do this and that, why this happen to you. You might be not believe that. But believe me and trust me. After you violate cargo woman and it did uncalled for. That's why to reach about my virgin. And you never apologize, see, man. It's just like any ghetto at all, man, where you see innocent murder go on, man, and you not see no justice go on for the murder, them place the curse, man. It can't stop of murder and wicked killing and thing go on, man. I who not talk about God, you know, you know, believe in the man, you know. We don't go say them shit, you know, dog. We don't believe in a fantasy, you know. And want money, you know, for show off on the neighbor and a fella friend and brother, you know. As some